Welcome to Automotive area. That exhaustive development was applied to some of the most astonishing hardware extant. Its magnetorheological dampers take their cues from sensors that read the road 1000 times per second, an electronically controlled limited-slip differential shuffles torque between the rear wheels with computer precision, and a wet-sump variant of the LT4 supercharged 6.2-liter V8 delivers incredible thrust. Imagine a Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat that can corner, a Ford Mustang Shelby GT350 with an additional 124 horsepower, and a BMW M4 with even better steering. The Camaro ZL1 is all of these things and more. The ZL1's parts list is familiar. Many will think of this car as a Corvette Z06 with 4 seats, its base price of $63,435 equating to a $17,010 discount over the Super Vet. But the ZL1 is not exactly a Z06, even if bits of it certainly are shared. The ZL1's own contribution to Chevy's arsenal of performance parts is its new 10-speed automatic transmission. The ZL1, available as a coupe and a convertible, shares with the Corvette Z06 its Herculean power plant, the supercharged 6.2-liter LT4 V8. Internally, both mills are identical, right down to the titanium intake valves and forged rods and pistons.